Okay guys, we've got them. We got some in the river. We got more crossing. Yeah, stay here guys. You guys see what's going on here? Nor Border Patrol. This is just us. We got people in the river, guys. Look. Look. They're trying to cross the river. They're going. Look. See them in the river? See them in the river there? We're trying to get them to not cross the river here, guys. We're trying to get everybody to sit down. So we have one group over here.
So what's going on, Jimmy?
What we've got going on is part of the invasion, guys. More people crossing. Obviously these people aren't listening. We can't detain at force. And we've got a group sitting down over here cooperating. As you can see, guys, we give them water. See that? We're giving them water. They're thirsty. People say we never do anything nice. But here you go. We've got more people over here. Agua over here, guys. We have agua.
Agua está. Muy bien, está. Permiso. Está la agua. ¿Qué pasó, señor? ¿Un agua? ¿Qué pasó? You got a unit over there, buddy?
We had some that went through the river. We had I see another light over there, so I don't know what they're doing. But we got some people over here by the river as well. They don't all stop, guys. They don't all just, you know, cooperate and go for asylum. We had a few cross the river. So that means they're in Texas. And we do have BP here now. Okay, so they're going to take the march down the road.
Pásale. Ahí está. ¿Todo bien?
¿Puedo seguir haciendo algunas preguntas? Yo soy un periodista de Alemania y hago un reportaje sobre la frontera. Me gustaría entender cómo funciona eso. El viaje hacia India, por demás.
Now they're gonna hit the freeway.
Yeah, there must have been 10, probably 10 of them that went across the river.
Go group with 15 kids.
Especially I think the dad with the little girl crossing and saying, hey, come back.
Okay guys, we're gonna follow them down, make the walk, make sure nobody else goes for the river. There's your van shot. So we had about 11 that crossed the river, and they're looking for them on the other side.
Yesterday I just jumped in that freaking water. One looked like a Philippine dude. From Honduras?
Right?
Yeah. It's in Honduras.
Yeah, it's a good thing we had Ghost and Chin out here tonight. Say hi, Chin.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing?
Say hi, Ghost.
Hey, you guys.
And we even gave the journalists a little something to film.
And 2 actions in one day. Good thing for a Monday.
Exactly.
They got the other ones that went across the river. We're gonna detain him here?
Huh?
We're gonna detain him here?
Yeah.
Track out the other one?
Yeah, we're gonna wait for a processing van.
The van already took off that way. I'm
Yep.
coming to get the other guys. They're like 12 that crossed the kids.
No, I saw that.
For movie 97 from the American Eagle Spring Command to 735.
Hey,
97
Jim.
with 15 mix of female
Keep the light on.
and male, adults and children. First mileage is going to be 78, 09, 78, 09.
Or do you need
Yeah,
to continue
no, that's
screening?
fine. No, I can. Yeah, here. Here, Ghost, be in charge of that. Hold on to that for a little bit and talk to him.
25 minutes.
Hey, you guys. See, I try to tell them correctly
that if you need help and the water is very cold and you're gonna get more sick,
So,
and you don't listen,
tell me a little
you're gonna
bit.
get sick.
How did that work?
What happened is you guys were there.
Thanks for
you saw
Border
that we
Patrol to
observed a
be
large
here.
group walking down the other side.
But we can't detain them, so that's why most of them got away.
We can't detain them, and half of them got away because they know what's going on.
So they went across the river. They came through the monument.
It's very much everyday occurrence here in El Paso.
About 13
Everyday
runners.
occurrence.
Runners went into the river.
Them just come in, it's pitch black, they think they can get away and go across the river, which they're just gonna drown, get more sick, get everyone else
They
sick.
weren't necessarily cooperative.
And they're just carrying their children. You got 12 people just crossing the river,
Quite a few of us to actually get the
Freaking
detained.
just throwing their kids on their shoulder and
Touch
go
anybody
across the
as you
river.
saw.
From the river.
All
All right, you guys, let me show you what we're talking about. You know,
Probably already saw it.
I'm Ghost. I'm the calm guy right now. You see, this right here, this is filthy water. This will get you sick unless 2 seconds flat. We don't know what kind of water or disease it has. As you can see, it's kind of polluted right now because they're barely going to let it go. So, you know, this is what we're trying to tell you guys.
This is true, this is wrong. That's why we need the wall already. We need to finish the wall. Because more and more are coming in. Look, there's a car right now looking for the other ones. There it is right there.
See? You see that vehicle over there?
And you can't get to them in time. There's not enough Border Patrol. There's not enough people. Volunteers need to come out and try to and help. But this is pretty much pitch dark. You can't see anything. And you're trying to find a needle in a haystack in this
Like you
darkness.
can hide under behind a blade of grass.
Yeah.
Because there's a little canyon right down there where those glows are. That you can freaking just hide right in there.
I think I hear movement.
That's the Mexican cop. It's like,
You know,
Federal.
this is what we're trying to help you guys. We're trying to protect you guys from people like this. This is what we were fighting for. This is what we must do as citizens, as patriots, as Americans, to protect our borders. The Democrats are not doing squat. They tell a whole bunch of lies, which is not true. I mean, come on, you guys, really? This right here, this is the weak spot. We need that border. We need it fast. Because more and more, there's a lot more coming in.
It's just a Monday. We still gotta last all the way till Sunday.
This is only on a Monday. Imagine until Sunday, until next week. I mean, really, you guys? And they're even bringing little kids over here. They're crossing them, you know.
And the Democrats don't care. The Democrats are just saying, oh, they're not a problem. Look at this. They're crossing our river. They're making Border Patrol endanger their lives because they're too stupid just to stop and wait or just freaking run back into Mexico. No. But the Democrats saying, oh, we're the racists and we're the problem. Oh, heck no.
No, we're not.
Like they already got them. Good.
We're not the. Yeah, you see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're not the racists. We don't hate people. We're just trying to help you guys as Americans, as Republicans, as to protect the United States.
Trying to save you guys $1 because now that we caught these people, that's more money out of your pocket just to hold them. Because the Democrats just like to take that money from taxpayers and think that it's going to help, but it ain't. It just hurts us. It hurts America, but it don't hurt them because they get free food, free Medicare, and free everything. But we don't get nothing free. Heck, I don't get nothing free. Everything that me and Ghost are doing out here is coming out of our pockets. But we're glad to make that sacrifice because it's for America.
I mean, we want you guys to know every time that we capture somebody, we're not doing it because, oh, we want to do it for pride and joy. No, we're doing it because we're protecting you guys.
And it's the right thing to do.
Yeah, we're the ones that are always there to fight for you. We're not here for pride and joy. We're here to protect our states, our country from people that are invading. Yeah, everybody, the Democrats, like Pelosi, and they're saying, "Oh, we're gonna shut down. Oh, this and that." Yeah, but you know, they don't know the truth. They just want votes. They want to take out our president out. They want us to be a weak state because we're this right here. This is going to separate us. We are protecting you guys. We're not here for pride and joy. We're here to defend. I mean, come on. You can see one day and say, "Oh, you know, they're doing the best." You know, we're supposed to stand up. We are fighting. We want you guys to live our states. It's our constitutional right to be the number one country. Me and Tank sacrificed everything for you guys to protect the borders. But after what I saw today, we need the wall because they're bringing kids over. We need the wall. I mean, I'm not joking. We need the wall. The Border Patrol are doing their best to be, to protect. You can see in the reports of everything, in the news, that they're stretched thin, and everything what happened, everything in. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get better, but you know, we're trying to become number one. We want you guys to know that we care about you. We are the guardians. We protect you guys because we love you guys. And you know, me as a patriot, I'm doing my best to do the right job, protect you guys. All I know is protect the ones you care about. So let me hand it over to Jim, if I can get him. Just remember my words from Ghost. Never give up, never surrender. All right, Patriots. Hold on. Let me see where I can get up. Hold on. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm signing off. I'm Ghost. The Ghost from Guardians. We love you guys. Sleep tight. Let me hand it over to Jim. Call Jim. Call Jim.
What the hell is
Jim.
over here?
You're still on.
Oh. Hey guys, I'm back. Why has the Mexican cop got his police light on? What's going on down there? He's flashing his lights. We got another group coming in. We might have another group. He's flashing his lights down there. Go check it out. Actually, give me my lighter first. A cigarette.
Sorry.
Hey guys, this might not be over.
Okay.
Did you find my... Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Tank, let's go.
Hey, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna take a walk down here, guys.
No!
Looks like we have another group coming in. I saw the Mexican police hit his lights, so. We're gonna check it out, guys. We might have more. You can see him with his light on flashing down there. Let me try to get a better zoom in on this, see if you can see it better, guys. Hold on. I don't like this phone. One of these days we're gonna get a better phone. This is supposed to be one of the better phones out there, but so for those of you who don't know where we're at, this is the US-Mexico border. Right in front of you is Mexico. And it's not very often that we actually have the Mexican police with his lights flashing down here, so especially after we just had a crossing. Oh, it looks like we might have had some runners that went up the hill. That's what it looks like to me. People wonder why we're down here doing what we do. This is all night, every night. So I suspect that's what we're dealing with, is some runners. Hey, do you speak English? You speak English? Oh, shoot. You speak Spanish, don't you? Shoot. Cassie, ask them what they saw over here.
They saw nothing, man. Even if they saw it, they saw nothing. They get paid.
What's going on? We got runners?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Right through here.
Is that BP up there, or is that just Chin?
That's us.
It's us, okay. Alright, so we got runners over here, guys. Okay, we got a helicopter over here to help us now, guys, see? We got some aerial support on the situation. Did you guys find anybody?
I think they went up the mountain.
The helicopter's here to help.
Both thought he saw the twins. And then moved back that way.
looks like we may not have anything, but I think the helicopter's going to take another run. Look at the deal. He shut his light off, but he's still hovering. He's hovering right there. I don't know if you can see him or not through here, probably not. But anyway. Yeah, okay guys.
Or what's going on?
So anyway, the bottom line is this is the evening so far. Nothing going on here, but we still have the other group that went down there. We got a group detained on the other side of the river, and we did end up catching the 13 that went across the river. Those guys are now detained. So busy night. Helicopters flying around doing thermal. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna sign out for right now, guys.